Hi everyone, this is Dipti Harshadwardak and welcome to my baking channel and welcome to yet another Hall of Fame interview, yet another success story. I'm here with Vibhuti Yadav. She came into our community in mid-August, and since then we have got a chance to see her stunning work in Super Baker community. Every single time, Vibhuti has given more than 100% to any given assignment or assessment. If you stay till the end of this interview, you will witness her creations, which are absolutely flawless. And let us hear it from Vibhuti. Vibhuti, heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
It is so great to have you in this Hall of Fame interview. So tell us about yourself, like which city you are from, who all are there in your family, and like right now you are a cake designer, but before that, what was your profession?
Yes, I'm sure. First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for all the praises and all. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm Vibhuti. I stay here in Gurgaon
Okay,
and I live with my husband, my parents-in-law, and my sister-in-law.
okay, okay.
And before starting with this baking journey, I was a mathematics teacher before this.
Wow,
Yeah, I was very happy with it, but I always wanted to do something of my own.
correct, correct.
Yeah.
Super, amazing. A lot of people like right now it has become a craze to get into baking and cake decoration. So
Yeah.
people keep joining a lot of classes. So before coming into Super Baker program, did you try any other classes like hands-on classes or online? Did you do anything?
Yeah, so exactly like 1 month before I joined your program, I got very serious about this baking thing. And I did join, I, I just bought a course from Udemy,
Hmm.
but that really didn't help much. So then I started looking for YouTube videos. So I watched almost like hundreds of videos, but it became so confusing. I mean, there was a lot of information, but then every information was incomplete. I couldn't like connect with. They were like every single person there has a different recipe. They different style of baking. So sometimes my cake used to come out very really well, and sometimes it got burnt.
Hmm. Hmm.
And so I was facing issues with that.
Okay.
So I really wanted something which will guide me like to the point. So that's when I just saw your ad on Instagram and I
Okay.
joined your course.
Okay, okay. So you were part of the 3 or 4 days home baking masterclass, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
And so why did you join Super Baker program? What
Okay.
made you?
So in just those 3 days, I learned like so much that after the end of the third day, I baked like a complete cake. So I baked a Independence Day theme cake.
Okay, okay,
And,
amazing.
and it was so beautiful. Like my family, they really loved it. It had a really good taste. So
Okay,
I got really inspired that I have to join this course for sure. And I'm glad I did that. It was
amazing.
amazing. Yeah.
Super. So, Vibhuti, then have you opened your home bakery at this point of time?
Yes, yes. Just like a month and a half back, I started with it. Initially, I gave the cakes to my friends and families so that they can taste it and give me their opinions.
Correct, correct.
Then they liked it so much and started recommending to their friends and all. So then I started with my own bakery, and I even told my neighbors about it and all. So
Okay,
people from my society also started ordering.
superb. So right now you are like getting consistent orders at
Yes,
this
yes,
point of time. Okay,
yes.
super, super. So how has been your journey after coming into the community? Like people are skeptical about doing online stuff because there is no hand holding or anything. Or especially when it comes to baking or cake decoration, how someone can learn just watching the videos. So, what is your experience about it? How easy were the recorded videos, or how difficult it was, or what is your take on the mastermind live sessions that we conduct?
So before joining the course,
Mhm.
even I thought that online classes are not a good option because I had already tried with YouTube and a small course and it didn't work. So I
Hmm.
thought this is not a good option. But after joining your course, I mean, it never felt like it's online or offline.
Okay.
We consistently felt that you were there to help us on every step. Whenever I got stuck somewhere, I used to post a question and ask you directly. And I remember I used to ask like more about 8 to 10 questions in every mastermind question session, and you used to answer all of them. And so it was, I mean, never ever, whenever I got stuck. So
Hmm.
I did ask questions, and it was grateful. It was very helpful that you answered all those
Okay.
questions very well.
Okay.
And your videos are so informative. Whenever I used to try a new technique, I used to watch your videos like 10 times.
Okay.
And yeah, so it was
Amazing.
very, very helpful.
Super, super. So, so right now you are you have completely stopped your teaching profession and you are completely taking orders, is it, or how is it?
Yes, I am completely taking orders now,
Super.
and I'm completely dedicated to this baking thing now.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, what is the name of your home bakery? Everybody would like to know.
Yeah, it's Vibs Bakery.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
great, great. So, how are you taking orders? Like, how are you promoting yourself at this point of time? Because this is just the beginning, right?
Yeah. Actually, I have a lot of friends and families, relatives here in Gurgaon. So
Mm-hmm.
they are the one who's promoting the most. Then
Okay,
I have posted it on various WhatsApp group here in my society.
correct, correct.
So that's how I'm getting most of the orders.
Okay. So, like, then how are you managing the orders at this point of time? Are you loaded with orders or how? Because this month being the season of cakes, you must be loaded with orders. So, how do you manage this?
Sometimes I get like 2 orders a day.
Wow,
So it becomes a little hectic, but I manage it. My family is very helpful.
super, super. And I remember you had mentioned about that Diwali Mela in your society. How did that go? Because I had seen your orders like bulk orders of Raksha Bandhan festival and they look fabulous. For a second, I thought, is she really a beginner or is she doing it like she's already a kind of a seasoned baker and who has just joined my community or what? But for a beginner, do
It
that
was
kind.
like, ma'am, it was like every year on Raksha Bandhan, I make mithais for my all the cousins in their family. So this
Okay.
time I thought of making cupcakes.
Huh.
So it was just a week before I joined, after I joined your course. So I thought of making cupcakes for them. And then when my cousin sister got to know about it,
Hmm.
she also asked me to bake some for her. So I baked almost 90 to 100 cupcakes
My
for
goodness.
all my relatives and all, and they just loved it.
Amazing. Amazing. So you use the same recipe that I had
Yeah,
given for me.
I use the same recipe. I baked 4 different types of cupcakes. It was chocolate mousse, chocolate truffle, red velvet, and then vanilla cupcakes.
Super, super. Amazing. Amazing. Lovely. So how did that Diwali Mela go? I remember you asking a
It
lot of
was
questions.
awesome. Yeah, it was awesome. I made cupcakes and I made cake jars. I did try cake jars for the first time, and everyone just loved it.
Super, super, amazing. So now, every time for these festivals, trust me, you are going to be loaded with orders because now people have tested your bakes. So definitely, a lot of orders will come your way. So tell us about the things that you were doing initially by just following the YouTube videos, and now what are those things that are you doing differently, which are helping you in making your cakes right now?
First of all, the recipes that I used to watch on YouTube were like they were like hit and trial recipes. Sometimes the cake used to be nice, sometimes not. Also, when I was watching YouTube, I used to bake at a different temperature. So
Okay,
most of the time, my cake used to get burnt. And
okay.
then you told me the right temperature. That was the biggest thing. Then I
Hmm.
was facing issues with how to color the cream and how to whip it properly.
Correct.
So a lot of problems were there.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
I had a lot of doubts.
Hmm.
So when you started clearing all of them, then I could actually make good cakes.
Superb, superb. So, so now what is the plan like going ahead? You are taking consistent orders at this point of time, and you are taking the best, making the best use of the festivals that are coming your way. You have already finished your assignments and assessments that were part of the program. So, how do you want to grow yourself in this particular growing industry, baking industry? What is your plan?
Well, currently I'm a home baker, but eventually I really want to open up my very own like proper commercial bakery cum cafe.
Super. Amazing. 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 And all the best for that. And I'm 100% sure it is going to be a rock in your city.
Thank
So,
you so much, ma'am.
and
It's all possible because of you.
thank you so much.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
no, like I keep saying this to all my students, it is a two-way street. It works both ways. I will give you a lot of things, tips, techniques, and how to go about it, recipes. But even the student has to give his 100%. And I'm so glad you gave more than
Practice.
100%, and it was visible in your work. So,
Yes, ma'am.
every time,
Practice plays a very important role here. I had to like practice either like so many times. Sometimes I had to pull off the entire cream and then make the cake again. So till it wasn't perfect, I never posted a picture.
I know. And the moment your post used to be up on our private group, my team used to go like, wow, ma'am, she has to be the part of Hall of Fame interview. It was like that since beginning, since the module one. So hats off to you. Amazing. Vibhuti, tell us about the community. Like you were part of Super Baker community, that private group which we are part of when you enroll for this course. So how the community has helped you professionally or personally to grow in baking and cake decoration?
Ma'am, it was an entire journey. I mean, we never felt that we are strangers to each other. I mean, every person, it was very inspiring also. The moment I used to post a picture, everyone used to praise it. And every day I could see so many different cakes from the community members. And I got inspired by seeing their creations. And with the doubts that everyone asked, I got to know a lot of new things and new doubts were cleared. So that was very, very helpful. We were working as a team throughout 3 months.
Yes, yes, super, super. So now that you have shared about your community, your vision, and your passion for baking, now tell us how it has created impact in your life or in your client's life. What are they talking about your work?
Okay. Some of them, some of my relatives, they had seriously stopped buying cakes because they hated the
Lovely.
taste of the bakery cake. And now that I have started baking, they are suddenly now falling in love with the cake.
Super,
And they order a lot of cakes from me.
super.
And then just now, there was a client who ordered a kiwi cake.
Okay.
And the moment I delivered the cake, 6 to 7 minutes after that, she replied that they had almost finished half of the cake.
Wow.
And it was awesome. So all this is very, very motivating. I mean, I am really, really happy with the work and how everyone is liking it and praising my work, and especially my family members. They are really, really supporting me with this.
Super. So, like my next question was that how is your family and how are your friends reacting? Like, how do they see this transformation from being a teacher who was exceedingly doing well when she was a mathematics teacher, and now she is doing astonishingly well in this cake baking and decorating journey as well. So, what are they talking about it?
My family, they're very happy about it, especially my in-laws. They've supported me so much.
Super.
Yeah, they really, in fact, they are the ones who asked me to convert my passion into a business. And
Love.
they motivated me. And finally, that now that I'm doing it, everyone is really happy with it.
Super.
And the best part is they are happy about that. Every time there's a party, they can get a homemade cake.
Yeah.
They don't have to eat those chemically loaded cakes from bakeries and all.
Correct, correct, correct. And your decorations are equally well. Like the cakes are flavorful and your decorations are stunning. So yeah, so they must be eager to get cake whenever that occasion comes in. So
Yes,
amazing.
yes, it happens.
Yeah. So Vibhuti, then do you think that this entire journey of 2, 3 months has been very, very systematic and that had helped you become what you are right now?
Yes, yes, ma'am. It was. I mean, you have just taken us from step zero to the final step very, very nicely. I mean, everything, each and every techniques, From the small techniques to the final content thing, everything was nicely explained. I mean, it was just a beautiful journey, and we did grow gradually, and it was so good.
Thank you. Amazing. So again, heartiest congratulations to you again, and all of you who are watching this interview and want to know more about Vibhuti's work. I have pasted the link in the description box below. Do check out her social media pages. You will completely fall in love with her work. And those who are from Gurgaon, please do order from her. Her cakes are talked about in that town. So please do order from her. And once Vibhuti starts her commercial bakery, again you guys will get to order her cakes online as well. Am I right, Vibhuti?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Superb, superb. And if you guys are looking to buy my course, the link is also provided in the description box below. We have people who are beginner and intermediate bakers in the community who are changing their life, who are having an amazing transformation in their lives day by day. So if you know somebody who is interested in baking, who wants to start their baking journey, do share this link with them. And Vibhuti, before we say bye to each other, any few more thoughts you want to share with us? Or
Ma'am,
anything that you want to tell to people who are still thinking whether I should get into this or not? What do you want to say to them?
like I would really want to share that if you are determined and you really want to do it, you want to really make baking from your passion to business, you should really join this course. I mean, this is going to be very helpful and will be life changing. It did change my life, and so it will change yours too. And then consistency is very important. You need to be really consistent.
Absolutely.
And keep working hard to get those best cake designs, and you just get to the mark for sure.
Super, super. So, Vibhuti, thank you for being who you are, and world really needs creative bakers like you. So, do not stop, keep baking, and I really wish to see your commercial bakery as soon as possible. So, keep us posted on that, and all the best, and wish you more and more success. So, guys, if you have liked Vibhuti's journey, do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel so you get to see more such success stories. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you.
Vibhuti,
Thank you, ma'am.
and take care.